Hi, my name is Anthony Palladino. I'm from St. John's, Florida. I'm a Grand Champion competitor here competing at LS Fest, Texas. I brought here with me today my 1969 Datsun, nicknamed the Dirty Datsun. This thing started out as a C5 Corvette that I raced with OUSEI back in 2019, and I wanted something different, and this is what I came up with. It's a full custom tube chassis that I built at home in my garage. I'm using a C5 front cradle and suspension, C5 rear cradle and suspension, and the whole drivetrain from that same Corvette. So it's got a LS1 in there. I use a Holley STS Universal Turbo Kit, and I keep control of everything with my Holley 12-inch Pro Dash. As a Grand Champion competitor, you compete in multiple segments. At LS Fest Texas, we're competing in autocross, track X, drag racing, and start-stop challenge. So this isn't my first rodeo here in Texas. I'm an alumni from Bowling Green, Kentucky, multi-year competitor there, but I love the events and I love the team here. That's why I came all the way out from St. John's, Florida. My only expectation here is to come out and have a good time, and I'll see you back here next year.